Hi everyone. Welcome back to Learn with Confidence, your go-to channel for improving English easily. Today, we're going to learn important daily English words that you must know. These words will help you speak fluently and confidently in everyday conversations. So, let's get started. 1. Morning. We use this word when we wake up or greet someone early in the day. Example sentence. Good morning. How are you today? 2. Hungry. This means you want to eat food. Example sentence. I'm so hungry. Let's go have lunch. 3. Tired class. This means you feel sleepy or exhausted. Example sentence. God. I had a long day. I'm really tired. 4. Water. 2. Something we drink every day. Example sentence. Can I have a glass of water, please? 5. Happy. This means you feel good or excited. Example sentence. I am so happy today because it's my birthday. 6. Busy. When you have a lot of things to do. Example sentence. I'm busy right now. Can we talk later? 7. Cold. Used when the weather is chilly or when food is not hot. Example sentence. It's really cold outside. Wear a jacket. 8. Hot. The opposite of cold, used for weather or food. Example sentence. Be careful. This tea is very hot. 9. Friend. Someone you like and trust. Example sentence. My best friend's name is Lisa. 10. Thank you. A polite way to show appreciation. Example sentence. Thank you for your help. And that's it for today. Now you know 10 daily English words you must use every day. If you found this lesson helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more fun and easy English lessons. Keep practicing, and soon, you'll speak English fluently. See you in the next video.